What's going on? Ryan Troy back with another video for you today. Now this video is going to be all about how to grow successfully on Instagram. Now when it comes to Instagram, it is a algorithm just like a lot of other social medias, but the best thing about Instagram is their algorithm is really easy to crack. Now they do have a lot of updates, but those updates are usually really slight. And another thing about Instagram is they really aren't that innovating like other social medias that come out that take the world by storm. Instagram usually just plays catch up, being sitting back watching to see what becomes popular and then copying off of it. They started this with Vine, they later started this with Snapchat, you see it now with TikTok. They put a shop in their app, which I don't like the fact that they took the like section from being a dedicated thing at the bottom and replaced that with shopping, something that I'm probably never going to do on Instagram. But hey, Shopify, they gave us IGTV, which just took it from YouTube. So like I said, it's not really innovating. And since it isn't, if you look at things that you do on other things, like let's say TikTok, you can incorporate that more into Instagram when something new like that happens, to be able to be on top when they decide to go more in that direction. Now let's get into my first tip as far as growing on Instagram. Now, what you have to realize when it comes to Instagram is, even if let's say you have 1,000 followers, right? Let's say you have 1,000 followers, and when you post stuff, you don't get that many likes. Let's say you get 50, let's say you get 75, right? Well, the thing about it is Instagram is not showing your things to everybody that follow you. Instead, what they do is they show it to a small percentage of people, and based on what those people do, whether they like it or whether they choose to scroll right past it, will let Instagram know if they need to show this content to more of your followers. Now that is messed up, and I get it. So the thing that we need to do is we need to get our followers more engaged, and that way when we get our followers more engaged, we will get more likes. Okay, now I know this video is supposed to be about how to get more followers, but we also need to focus on engagement, because if your engagement is low, it doesn't matter if you have those followers or not. They may choose to follow you and they may never see your things that you post ever again. I have people on my Instagram that I follow that I haven't seen in months. I thought they like fell off the face of the earth, but they're here and they're posting consistently. But I'm going to tell you things you need to do in order to make sure that your post gets seen. Now, one thing that I want to start off with is Instagram stories. Now, stories is something that you need to post on a consistent basis. Now, why do you ask? I know a lot of people don't want to post on their feed all the time if they don't have anything they feel is valuable. But a thing about stories is most people spend their time on Instagram looking at other people's stories. So what I want you to do is I want you to post more things that are engaging, like polls, stuff like that. So even if you have a daily thing, I have a friend named T-Mid. He actually has a YouTube channel on photography. Go ahead on and check his stuff out right there. But every single day, you know, he works out and he posts something random. It doesn't even have to be about working out, but he puts a poll and it says, have you worked out today? Have you went to the gym today? Have you worked out today? And every single day I know that I'm going to see that on my story, and I click it, and it made me go to the gym more, just so I can start hitting yes, because I used to hit no all the time, or I would just not hit anything and not let him know that I haven't been going to the gym. But just helpful things that give people value is something that you are going to want to do. And as you have a set schedule of things that you do every single day on Instagram, what that does is it's going to let people that follow you that may not see your stuff consistently start to click your stories. And then when they start to click your stories, when you post something to your wall, Instagram thinks in their head, okay, this person really likes this person's content, so now I'm going to show this post to these people. So it takes nothing at all to post on your stories. at all. So just, I'm telling you, post on your stories, try to give value. Even if, let's say you are a photographer, and this could go for any niche, it doesn't matter what you do. Maybe you're just an influencer, maybe you just want more people to engage with your stuff. So if it's somebody that you see a post from that you feel may also give value to other people, then go ahead on and share that post. And then when you share it, you know, people are going to start looking at you and your profile to be things that I need to see. So there's another person here that's all about Columbus, and any type of news or anything like that, they repost it, they share it, things like that. So I click that all the time just because I know that I'm going to get value out of their content. Okay. Now, the next important thing that I want you guys to do, comment. Okay. If you want followers, and especially let's say you have a side hustle, your Instagram is a side business or whatever, locate your target audience as far as your business, or if you just want, you know, more people to follow you, locate them. I want you to go to their profile and I want you to leave a valuable comment. Now, the reason why I say valuable, I don't want you to comment and be like, hey, I like this photo, because they're just going to like it. I'll probably say, hey, thank you. But if you give a valuable comment, I want to switch this around and let you see exactly what I mean. Let's say I comment on one of your photos and I say, let's say you made pancakes, right? You cooked pancakes, you took a photo of it and you cooked it and you gave a nice little description of these pancakes. I could be like, wow, these pancakes look really delicious. Do you have a recipe or anything like that for me to be able to make these pancakes as well? Now, let's say somebody commented like that on yours. Now, you will answer it, of course, but what else are you going to do? You may happen to, this person is into cooking. I'm into cooking. Let me check out their profile. That is what we want. That is the best way to get new followers. It is commenting and leaving valuable comments, and it will bring people to your page. Now, it's on you to have the right things on your page to hook somebody. Okay, unlike TikTok, where we can post, TikTok and YouTube, where we can post things and it's an algorithm that shows everybody things. Yeah, Instagram has the explore page, but one of y'all let me know the last time you decided to go to the explore page and scroll down. Okay, on TikTok, you at home, you seeing people you don't know. YouTube, you at home, you seeing people you don't know. Usually on your Instagram, you are on your home feed, follow with all of your people that you follow, that Instagram don't even show you all of their things. So leave a valuable comment. Once you do that, they will click your profile, and it's on you to make sure that you have the right things on there to make someone want to follow you. Now, if you keep these two things in mind, you will see amazing growth on your Instagram. Now, I promised y'all all a while back that I would give y'all a video on Instagram ads, and I do have that coming up. The thing about Instagram ads is you have to know exactly what you are doing. So this is something that I would really need to break down a little bit more. I can't just give you a quick video on this, but if you are doing Facebook and Instagram ads and people are, I want to give you this thing. I want to give you this thing real quick, just in case if you are and you know what you're doing. Once people start liking this photo that don't follow you, I want you to go to their profile and I want you to like their photos, like about a good 5-6 of their photos, blow their notification feed up with your name, because the more you like, the better chances you have for them to click your profile. Once again, we want people to come to your profile, and it's on you to make sure your profile looks good enough for them to want to follow. So like as many as you can, and then also comment, leave a nice valuable comment on something. And once you do that, they're going to come. You're going to start seeing your followers go up. To piggyback off of my statement about commenting on people things, even if you're not doing the Instagram ads, if this is a person or a type of person that you want to follow you, like their stuff as well. Don't just comment, like their stuff as well. Okay, follow for follow. Instagram, they shut that down. They understand that spam. Don't do it. It's not even worth it. It's not worth it. You don't want people following you that do not care about what you post. And when you do follow for follow, that is what you're going to get 9 times out of 10. So using that hashtag follow for follow and following random people who niches you are not even in, that will only hurt your Instagram. I had to go back a couple years ago and remove just ghost followers because it wasn't helping me grow. Now everybody is concerned about the number. Do not be concerned about the number. Do not think about your follow to not following ratio. That it's not going to help you. You have to bring value to your followers if you want people to follow you and if you want Instagram to show people your stuff. Because if you're not bringing value and they're scrolling past your content, Instagram is not going to keep showing your content to majority of your followers. Now, if you learned something here, I want you to go ahead on and leave this video with a like. Subscribe if you want more. Also, make sure you ring that notification bell. Or don't ring it, just click it so it could just ring, okay? And I will see you guys in the next video. I hope y'all have an amazing day. Once again, Ryan Troy, peace.